Hello everyone, my name is Ali and I have the device of Samsung M31. It's it's a very old device, almost 2 years ago Samsung launched this one, but today I have this one and just decided to unbox this. So let's go ahead and wrapper off, peel off the wrapper so you can, as you can see, this device is some very interesting features like 5000 mAh battery and 32 megapixel of front camera, 64 megapixel rear camera. Battery is, yeah, as I mentioned you, 5000 mAh, and display is very punchy and solid color production. Punchy colors Samsung provide you in their display. Super AMOLED, as you can expect, such high quality from Samsung. 1080p displays, by the way. So it's a device, Samsung M31. It's burgundy color. Peel the wrapper off again. I'm not a professional boxer like other tech channels. It's a charger, SIM ejector tool. So it's the device. Here I have, and let's boot this one up. So the formal setup for first time boot. Display is very fantastic, very bright and punchier. So I'm just doing all the customary stuff that one should do for the first setup. Touch is very good. Device is looking phenomenal. It's old device. It's selling in Pakistan between 35,000 and 40,000 rupees. In other region, price may be different, but yeah, it's the first look of this display of this device, as you can see.